Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find out the area bounded by the curve y equals sine inverse x and the line x equals to 0 with mod y equals pi by 2. So, what we will do? First, we will try to trace the graph of a function and then later we will proceed. So look at this, how we will draw the graph. As you all know that the graph of sine inverse function looks this way. It goes this and this. Okay, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is minus pi by 2, and this is pi by 2. Okay, so y x equals to 0. X equals to 0 means these guys are talking about y-axis. Mod x equals to pi by 2 means what? Y equals to plus minus pi by 2 means y equals to pi by 2, y equals to minus pi by 2. This means these guys are interested in finding the area of this situation. Okay, so this is the required area. Now, I feel that the graph is symmetric, so the area covered in this part will be same as in this part. Okay, so what we will do, we will find out the area in the first quadrant and then we will double it. So look at this, how we will proceed. So I feel that it would be much more convenient if we will go with y-axis. So we will take small strip of dy and then we will proceed. So our function is y equals sine inverse x now. So required area is 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2 dy. So here we will be writing x. If we are writing dy, you have to write x. If you will be writing dx, you will be writing y. I hope things are clear. Now let's proceed. So it is 2 times integration from 0 to pi by 2. Who is x? So if this is y equal to sine inverse x, so x will be sine y. Okay, so this is our sine y dy. Now we are done, almost done. So what is the integration of sine y? It is cos y, and that too answer is in C, so we will put extra minus, so minus of 2 cos y. Now what we will do, we will substitute the limit, upper limit, lower limit. Now look at this, minus 2 will wait outside. This is cos pi by 2. You know that cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0, and then cos 0. You know that the value of cos 0 is 1. So here we got minus 2 and then 0 minus 1. So we are left with 2 square unit. Okay, I hope the idea is clear. You got the concept. You guys are comfortable with graph tracing and you are comfortable with definite integration as well. Okay, so see you guys in next session of MathFlix.